Welcome to another installment of Loyal and Save training. In this session, we will cover how to create trigger points per dollar value in tokens. To navigate to the Campaigns module, click on Loyalty, Campaigns. Then click on the Add New button. From the Trigger Type dropdown, select Trigger Points. Under the Reward Type dropdown, select Trigger Points per dollar value tokens. In this campaign, customers earn trigger points for each dollar spent. These points build up with each purchase. Once a customer's total trigger points reaches a specific threshold, they will receive tokens as a reward. To see an example of the trigger points per dollar value tokens, click on the eye. In this example, spend $10 of Kellogg's cereal to earn 500 tokens. Your trigger points will be set to 1. Your dollar amount will be set to $1. For every dollar that you spend, you will earn 1 point, and you will need 10 points to reach the goal of 10 for the triggered amount. From the Details tab, scroll down to Tokens Reward. Token Reward. Set the number of tokens that the customer will be awarded when the campaign is triggered by the defined whitelist point values and the set trigger value. Trigger Points. This field indicates how many points are earned towards the trigger value. This is used for internal tracking of the progress to trigger value. Per dollar amount. This field indicates how many dollars are needed to spend towards the trigger amount. Ensure that the balance type is set to the appropriate token bucket. Trigger value. This field is used to indicate how many points are needed to earn the campaign reward. This concludes our Loyal and Save training on how to create campaigns.